A world without Nice would be heartbreaking. There'd be a lot less hope for a lot of people. When he started coming here, he couldn't even sit up. He couldn't crawl, and now he's not only is he sitting up independently, he's feeding himself independently.
And when I had my stroke, I was in hospital for 3.5 months. All I could do was lay in bed. I really thought I would go, really. I honestly didn't want to be here. I thought it was a burden to my husband, to all my family.
Coming here and seeing other people who are so far on in years and have been keeping going and still living a normal life, it makes a huge difference. It encourages you.
So yeah, it's been miraculous.